So today I want to show you how to change the seals of a Canon AE-1. So mine is due. I need to change the seals here, here, and all over the place. Just make sure that there's no light leaking when I'm taking films with my Canon AE-1. So to start well, what you want to do is make sure that you have no film in it first. Then what I did, I just cleaned up the old camera so I don't have overdust or thing like that on it. Then you simply want to pull that lever and it will open like when you put films. The other part that you need to remove is just, you will see this little thing here. You need to push it down so you can remove the door like this, and then now you need to clean it off. What I will do first is just cover the shutter curtain so we are sure that there's no dust or particles that will go in it to don't damage something. And what I will take is simply a piece of paper that I will put there, grab some tape like this, and just make sure there's nothing that go inside it while I'm operating all the recovery of the seal, the old one, to make sure to put the new one after that. So simply like that. Then what I took, I didn't cut out my seals myself. What I did, I ordered from Amazon the E-tone seals like that here. So I will put the link in my description if you want to order that. Yes, specific cameras. Yeah, I took, of course, the AE-1. It's come with 3 pieces, so I will be good till my death of what I know. So just put that there. You take that here. It's come with it, just to clean everything off. I took some rubbing alcohol to clean that off. I have that here, or the tool. I use a bamboo stick to remove the particle for the thing that we need to remove, the previous seal. So I will start simply by going there and removing it. Like you can see in the bottom, I didn't have any seal left, so already it was ready due to be done. Perfect. I will do also the door, since it's all over the place here too. So what I'm doing now, I'm just removing the big pieces. After that, I would take the rubbing alcohol to clean that off the most I can. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, so I'm like you, not an expert, but trying to save some money and don't go to the repair shop. In my region, I have to do a 1 or 2 hour road to find a place that can do that, I think. And I want to learn too, like you. Good. So now I will take the rubbing alcohol just to clean it off. Just go take another piece of that. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Perfect, good for the camera body. We'll just do the door one more time. So good, now it would be good to go and put the new seals on. Then I have to put one just here in the camera door. So now I'm taking the seal off the tape, so I can simply go ahead and apply it then. Okay, so that part go at the bottom. So if at the end of this video you don't think you can do it, tell yourself that I'm a big guy with clumsy hands and I'm able to do it, so you can. If I can, everyone can. Okay, so seam in place. Once it will be, I will push it in. Don't want to start that and don't be at the right place. Now we'll go for the top. I presume it would be it. Yeah, seems like that. So now I would just take a retail of this part just to be able to finish that up. So pull that up here, just like this, and then we'll be able to continue the line just like this. Perfect, and I will just cut the seal up here. Perfect. So I will just push it here like that. And that's it. You have the seal done. You just have to remove that paper, put the door back, and here we go. Try it.